carving of this cucumber. Okay, and to make it more simple and more systematic, what we will do, first we will take the help of the sketch pen or marker, whatever you are having, and draw what we are doing. We are making mountains on this, so it is easy for us, for beginners, to draw the mountain with the pen. Then it is very easy to cut and carve the cucumber. So I am drawing with the help of the marker. I am drawing the mountains. Okay, so on the mountains only we can insert our knife and carve it. Okay, so we can make 3 mountains or we can make 4 mountains depending on the thickness of the cucumber. So now on this, let's see how many mountains are coming. So this carving you must have seen in the market that bandiwalas are keeping to carve guava. Same carving can be done on guava and cucumber and what do you call, watermelon, muskmelon. So now I will take a carving knife. This is called a carving knife. This is ordinary knife I am having. We can do with both knife. Any knife we can do. When we are doing with carving knife, what we have to do? We have to hold the knife like a pencil and we have to deep insert the knife in the cucumber. On these lines which I have drawn with the help of our marker, we will do on that. So how to do, I'll show you. So it is very systematic and more easy. You will not spoil the cucumber. So we will holding the knife like a pencil and nearly 1 inch it should go inside the cucumber. It should be deep cut. So slowly, sturdily we must do it. We should not hurt ourselves. And carving knife is generally sharp, so you must be very careful while using it. See, on the line which I drew on the cucumber, I am carving on that line only. So it will be very easy for the beginners to carve on this way. We can make as many mountains as many we want. It is not necessary we will do 4 only. Here just to show you more clearly, I did less. So same carving can be done in guava, watermelon, muskmelon and capsicum also. So after doing this, I'll just pull it. 4 petal flower will come, and now I will take carving knife, insert from up to down all the 4 sides, and it should not be cut from the base. And then after 4 petal we will just rotate the knife and we will take it out like this. Once again I will show you. Sharpen the base. How we'll sharpen the pencil? Same way. Okay, and then from start, just see my hand how I am doing. From up to down and little bit it should be joined from the base. We'll take it out 4 petals. And then what we'll do, we'll just rotate the knife like this to cut this. And now this beautiful flower is ready. We will take the help of the toothpick, we'll insert and we will put in this. See, one by one we will put in this. This is the beautiful flowers. See, and like this we can make, same way we can make the flowers of radish also. Okay, and we can decorate our salad plate with the flower pot. And this is the flower pot with the cucumber, and see how beautiful it is looking. We can make little less also because this is very big, so we can chop the base from the down. Okay, we can make small base because my cucumber is very big. We can make more flowers, so these flowers will look very beautiful. See, I hope you have liked this beautiful base and the flowers. Thank you watching me.